Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Purvi and I would really appreciate if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. What the hell is that? So I know the people who have been here on my channel are like, this bitch goes away for a month, doesn't post on YouTube, and then comes back like nothing's wrong. Listen, it's difficult. YouTube is very difficult. More because I also produce content on Instagram a lot. I'm more frequent on Instagram. Besides the point, I actually took a break from creating content because my skin was going bad. I had a little bit of a stress, you know, the usual. So I decided to take a break from producing content for a little bit and I feel better. So yeah, that's about it. I will be doing a makeup look. This is kind of a tutorial. I did want to talk to you guys, chit chat about some things. So this is a chill video. Grab a snack. You know, I have my coffee. I should not be drinking cold coffee because I have very bad cold. My throat is hurting, but I was very sleepy. It's like 3 p.m. I don't know why I'm so sleepy and it's very gloomy outside. So I decided to make some coffee and talk to you guys. So let's jump into the video. I'm using the Spa Awake serum. I actually filmed a video for Instagram and guess what happened? I filmed the video halfway through. I paused the video and went and did something and then came back and continued and didn't press the record button. What is new? I do that. So yeah, I did that. Nothing new.
Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old fucking shit.
Let's talk, guys. What should we talk about? I actually was going to do like an Instagram live. I actually did an Instagram live where I wanted to talk to you guys about some stuff. So if you know about this, if you're from Instagram, hi, welcome. I did not get to do it there because one, Instagram was lagging for some reason. I think it was my internet though. I really think it was my internet. Okay, let's get into correcting. I'm going to take my Fit Me concealer in the shade caramel and just do a little correction for my dark areas. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I talk about body positivity a lot. Being the size that I am, I do talk about body positivity, and somebody brought to my attention the other day on my Instagram. I talked about this on Instagram. That I don't talk about, I only talk about the plus size body positivity. That's because I know the struggles of it. It was meant to be like, why don't you talk about the thinner side, the other shapes and other sizes of bodies? Why don't you talk about that? And I answered that somewhat in that Instagram story. It's because I don't know their struggles. I asked some people to message me and help me out with that, and they did, and I was really glad that they helped me out with it. It basically is same for both, I mean any, not both, all inclusively body types. It is really cold. Let me change the temperature. I have friends, actually all of my friends are like, I don't want to call them thin, but like petite. Yes, they all are petite. Most of them is petite. How is it? I'll put the word on the screen. I don't want to go into like English vocabulary. We haven't talked a lot about these things. One of the reasons being that I was not very open about it earlier in my life, and I really got open about it as I grew confident with my self and my body and in my skin. Don't get me wrong, I was always a very confident kid ever since like middle school, I think so. Now somebody actually, okay, I have had people tell me to lose weight and to, you know, take care of my body for health reasons, and I appreciate that. I ask for such advice. I don't mind that because I know I am not the most healthy person when it comes to my body. As you can see, I like that kind of criticism. I don't mind that. But when people say that you don't look good because you are that body shape and that body size, I really don't like it. Like, if someone is too thin, you'll be like, you should say that, oh, you should eat healthy. No, doesn't matter what your body size is, but are you healthy? That's what matters. I always say this to everybody, no matter what size or shape you are, if you are healthy, that's what matters. And like, I have health issues because of my weight, and I'm pretty sure a lot of girls and guys both have. But if you're healthy, you don't have to change your body. Like, eat healthy, you know, that's what matters. Eat healthy, drink water, you will be good. I'm not gonna take that person's name, but they were like, hey, I understand that all body sizes are fine, but it's about health too. Like, not everybody is healthy. Agreed. But there is also a reason why they are that type. You know, some people are super thin because they have eating disorders. You don't know the depth of somebody's mental state and body, so don't comment on it. Maybe someone has some health issues. I've met people with really little appetite, but their bodies are the other way around because they have a health issue. So don't speak about it if you don't know anything about it. For me too, it was a reason. There was a reason why I am this way. I'm not gonna talk about that. This is not about me. But yeah. And then I said this to that person. I always wanted to say this to someone. It's fine when we're talking about health, but when you say that you should lose some weight or you should gain some weight and you look so much better, you look so much hotter. Honey, I am already hot. It doesn't matter what size and shape I am. Yes, I do care about my health and I am taking care of it. Trust me, I am. As I'm drinking an iced coffee. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm okay when you talk about health, but don't tell me that I would look good if I was a little thinner or a little bulkier. That is not correct. That is not your place to decide. That is my place to decide if I want to look a little like this or a little like that. You are not going to tell me how I should look. What are you guys doing in October? Are you doing... I am thinking about a Halloween series, but I don't know how to use face paint and I don't have face paint. So I don't know if I want to do that. To do something on YouTube too. You should recommend me. What should I do on YouTube during the festive season? Should I do some challenges with some people? I've gotten in contact with a few of creators who have YouTube that are on Instagram, like some friends I've made. So if you want me to collaborate with them, let me know and I will talk to them. I have a few ideas with someone particular in mind. She has a very bomb YouTube channel. I will make sure to talk to her before I post this video so that I don't talk about her without her permission. So yeah, her links will be in my description if you guys want to go and watch her channel. She has amazing content. Her name is Mansi Thakkar. Love her content. I'm also thinking of doing like a day in my life. Would you guys like to see that? I don't do a lot, but like I got some comments on a vlog that I posted on Instagram. You should go and watch that vlog. It's such a fun vlog. It's with my siblings. It's a very short, like 3-minute vlog, but like if you guys want to watch it, I'll have the link in the description. It was like so much fun to shoot a vlog. I do want to shoot one, so comment down below, thumbs up this video if you guys want to see like a day in my life. Of course I'll do it a little exaggerated. I will add things. I'm gonna be super real. I will change a few things in my routine if I film that video, but I will be honest with you guys, so you guys will know. At least that way I will be a little more productive if I film, you know. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I will be right back. In my brows and fill this with concealer and put on some baking powder underneath my eyes for the fallout. So I'm gonna pat this brush on the color, get as much as possible because I like to like fill it with color. Some people don't like to do that. I do, because like if you want, oh my god, I have creases, damn. Some people actually told me that I should speak more Hindi on my channel. I do want to, guys. It's not that I don't want to. I'm very fluent in Hindi, but my Hindi is a mixture of like little bit of Marathi, little bit of English, little bit of, I don't know, some like different, and it is mix of Marathi because I have lived in Mumbai my whole life. So and I'm very disrespectful when I talk in Hindi. I don't think you guys want to see that. Oh wow, that looks actually very nice. My hair is really irritating me. I should tie it now. This color, this one, a little pinkish. I don't know what it is. Is that what's called? I don't know. I'm not gonna say it. I don't want to sound like a fool. So I'm gonna take very little, tap the axis. I'm just going to take it here. Okay, wow, that looks really nice. I like that. I'm gonna try to blend more because that looks, yeah, that's better, I think. Does that? Yep. Oh my god. So sorry, that was obnoxious. Now I'm gonna take this shade. I really like this shade for like a natural glam. The shade, oh my god. And with this shimmer, like this shimmer and this shimmer, oh my god, you guys, wait, let me show you. You guys don't even know. Look at this. For a natural glam, these two shades are perfect. Look at that. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take this shade and pull it in, blend that color upwards nicely. I think I'll need more color. I'm gonna dip just lightly into that color and like build that upwards. Oh, look at that blend. Wow. I'm gonna do my other eye quickly and I will come back. Alrighty guys, both eyes are done. That looks, I love that. I did the lower lash line too. I did not smoke it out. Should I smoke it out? I like it actually like this. I do sometimes go hard into like bronzing, which is not good because in real life it looks really bad. You guys should know that online camera makeup and real life makeup is so different. Like what I do on a usual, like a normal makeup, if I'm going out somewhere, that will not look like what I do on camera, because I will, like, a little goes a long way in real life. The camera doesn't pick up the colors. So when you're doing your makeup in real life, just remember that you don't need to put as much product as we do in our videos and photos, because we have to do that, otherwise it won't show on camera. So keep that in mind. Ow, ow. A very light hand, like if you want like a subtle glow, this is, and this is like bam in your face. A winged eyeliner because I don't want to put lashes on. This is my way of thinking. Let's do this. So I don't like my eyeliner. I hate it. I don't know what happened. So I have to put on lashes now. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, some mascara, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on. I need a mirror. I'm on the verge of having a mental breakdown right now. I hate it when my eyeliner doesn't come together. I recently got this color and I really like it. God, I hate putting on lashes. I cannot believe I have to do that. I'm about to cry like any minute. Like, I'm so unstable right now. Also because I was streaming Folklore by Taylor Swift right before this video, and I'm not okay because that album makes me feel things that I don't want to feel. So also I was listening to Lewis this morning, Lewis Capaldi. If you don't know who that is, first of all, go stream all his songs. It is not, ow, 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 oh my. I love that we started with some heartfelt talks in the beginning of this video, and I'm just talking about my taste in music, which probably you guys will think is trash. Oh my god, I hate my life. But I don't care because I love my music, because it helps me go through with my mental breakdowns, which I am about to have right now if this mascara doesn't work. Why is it not working? I'm fine. We're gonna pretend that I did not just lose my mind, okay? It's the coffee, guys. Let's just blame the coffee. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. I am probably thinking that a lot of video clicked off in the middle of the video because I was just talking. It was not interesting at all. But if you did make it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love talking to you guys on Instagram stories too. But if you would like to talk to me here, please comment down below and I will make more chit chat videos. And yeah, I am trying to change my content on YouTube because I don't want it to surround only around makeup, because I do think that I can do more things here. I'm planning a really fun vlog very soon. My birthday is coming up, so I probably will be vlogging on my birthday. And also, if you guys want to see a day in my life vlog, I'm going to pin a comment down below in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up if you want any of those ideas. I'll put like 2-3 ideas. And I'm so sorry for being MIA. I probably will try to be more active on YouTube. It's difficult, but I will try, and I will stop talking now and I will go and film the other video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling and keep loving.